Hello everyone. Today I will talk about a book which have created its impact on millions of people and helped them to make their life a real habit. I am talking about The Secret, a book written by Rhonda Byrne, an Australian author. The Secret is a self-help book published in 2006. It is based on law of attraction which claims that thought can change your personal life directly. So the book is completely based on law of attraction. It clearly explains what is the law of attraction, how to use it, and how to achieve our target and goals by using it. Law of attraction states that you each and every thought is a realistic thing and a form of energy. Whatever we think, we got it in the real, either you know about it or not. But this is a universal law and always affecting our life. It is as effective as gravity. We have to understand it that gravity is even present in this universe before the Newton's discovery. And in the same way, law of attraction is also present in the universe from the very starting. Few world leaders and successful persons are already aware about it and have used it in their life. Like Newton, Shakespeare, Lincoln, Gandhi, Einstein, and so many others have used it to achieve their goals and reach at the peak level of life. While the normal people work day and night and get tired and frustrated with the result they got. So what the reason behind this that few people were able to create a huge impact on this planet and the whole world is remembering them as a hero. It's all because these men and women have used the law of attraction while normal people born and die and no one is going to remember them. If you think that all the successful personalities have done a lot of hard work to be whatever they are, then you are absolutely wrong. Let me explain it to you. A worker labor is working 6 to 8 hours per day to just earn for its survivability. They are the hardest working community on this planet, but they are also the most poorest community of the world. So if the hard work is responsible for success, then the community of laborers could be the richest community of the whole world, but the reality is totally opposite. So now you should understand that the situation right now in your life is all because of your thought. So the kind of thoughts and imaginations you keep in your mind will be definitely happens in your reality. Now understand what law of attraction actually mean. It is an important law of life. It say that a kind of thought have ability to attract similar kind of activity towards your life. Thoughts are magnetic and they have ability to attract the things about what they are. In simple, our thoughts get converted into action. Law of attraction is a law of nature. It is as effective as gravitation. We can't achieve anything without continuously thinking about it. So it's very important to observe our thought and to do this our emotions are useful tool. If you are feeling depressed, anger, frustrated, then it means lot of negative thoughts going on in your mind and you need to change it. And if you feel happiness, joyful, satisfied, then you are in a right way. Now understand the importance of thought with the help with the example of a television. When you want to watch a particular channel, then you have to tune your TV set on a unique frequency of that channel. And similar thing happens with us. To achieve the goodness, we have to set our mentality like that. It doesn't matter who you are, where you live, what's your situation right now. This law will always obey your order, and to use this law, three steps given in the book. First one is demand. You have to demand for the things which you want. Make a clear orientation that what actually you want and start thinking about it. And the second step is believe. Now believe in that you will get your achievement. Keep making your imagination about it. And the third one is receive. Because of continuous thinking about the same thing, law of attraction will definitely done their job and you will get your reward. So this is all about law of attraction.